You have served a customer very well. They are very happy with your service and say, don't worry, I'm going to leave a review for you. And after that, nothing happens. That's not because they didn't mean it, but it was because when they went to Google to search for your business, it took them so many steps to find where to leave a review for you. They got distracted and they left it. This happens to so many businesses here in Nigeria, and it's not the customer's fault. It's actually a friction that is causing it, and there's a very simple way to fix this. Google gives every business owner a unique direct link that skips all the searches, removes all the frictions, and take your customers straight to the box where they're just going to type their reviews and give you the 5 star that you deserve. But the problem is that so many business owners don't even know that this thing exists. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find it, how to copy it, and the exact thing to say when you are sending it, so you can start collecting reviews from your happy customers starting from today. But before we even go and get the link, I want to show you something that is very important, because if you understand this, it's going to completely change how you think about review henceforth. When someone in your city searches for your business, let's say best dry cleaner in Lekki, electrician in Abuja, makeup artist in Port Harcourt, photographer in near me, Google does not just randomly show them a list of people that have put their pages on Google. It uses 3 main things to determine the particular business that stays on top of the search, those ones that will stay below, and those that will even go to the last page that nobody will ever scroll to. And those 3 things are relevance, distance, and prominence. Now, prominence is where review comes in. The more reviews you have, the more recent they are, that's the more prominent Google consider your business to be. 2 different businesses that are offering the exact same service at the same location, one of them has 47 reviews, the other one has just 3 reviews. Google is definitely going to show the one that has 47 reviews more often every single time. This means reviews are not just social proof for customers who have already found your page, but they are what even help you to be found in the first place. The business owners that get more calls, more bookings, more clients from Google are usually not even the best ones in the business. They are the ones that have actually made it very easy for their customers to leave reviews for them. And that is exactly what this video will solve for you. You get that link and you send it to your customers, they leave reviews for you without any friction. Getting the links takes about 30 seconds, and here's exactly where to find it. So just go on Google and search for your business name, exactly how it is. Now, if you can't find this particular interface I'm seeing now, it's most likely because you are logged in with the wrong email account. So you want to come over here and switch to the right email that you use in setting this up. Now, if for any reason you are not the one that set up your Google business for yourself, maybe somebody did it for you and you don't even know the particular email that the person used, I will link a video somewhere here and also in the description that you can see how you can claim your business account back if you don't have access to that particular email that it was used to register again. But if you do, so you should meet yourself here. If you don't meet yourself here, just switch to the particular email used in creating it. You should see here. Then look at here, you see where it say ask for reviews. So I'll just click on here that say ask for reviews. Now, this is the golden link we are talking about. So I can just go ahead and copy this. Now, another one you can use is also this QR code, which you can just right click and say save as an image. You can print it and put it somewhere in your store. So your customers just scan it and it brings them here as well. But I find the link easier because you want your customers to do it probably as they are living in the car. So you can copy the link and send to them via WhatsApp on their way. And it makes it easier so that even though they don't do it right away, the link is there. You can still follow them up later. Please don't forget to drop the review for also, so which make it easier for you to follow up. So this is the link that you are going to copy. Now, having this link is one thing, but what do you say when you send it to your customer? Because the messages that accomplish the link is what determines if your customers are going to either click on it or they will totally ignore it. So let me show you exactly what to add to this link in the message you want to send to your customer. So the rule for this is to make it short, keep it human, and don't beg, don't also make it feel like it's being transactional. So now the message that you can use is something like this. So just say, thank you so much for choosing us. We really appreciate your business. If you have 60 seconds, it would mean a lot to us if you could drop a quick Google review for us. This is the link. So you just put a link there and you say, thank you. So something like this, as simple as that, is good enough. Then you can just wait for a couple of days. If you don't get any review from them, you can just follow up again and say that, oh, please, we are still expecting the review. If you don't mind, you can still drop it for us. It really helps our business to grow better. So after like the 3rd time, if they still don't respond, if they don't give you the review yet, you can just allow them to be. Now, one rule of thumb when you want to send this is to send it as soon as possible. So once you have satisfied them and they are happy and the experience is still fresh in their mind, you just go ahead and send them the review request. You are going to get more response that way than you waiting 1 week later or thereabout. The experience is not fresh in their mind again. So you want to just make sure you do it as soon as possible. Then you want to also make sure you follow them up because they might forget. They might want to do it and they forget. So now I know that this may look a little bit stressful for you to be doing manually, and that's what we do for you at Revieme. So we kind of set up a system for you that automatically help you to request review from your customers. If it's something you want to just go check out, you can just use the link in the descriptions. We have a 7 days free trial where we set up everything for you. You try it out for 7 days. If it's something that you like, you can continue with us. And if not, you can cancel your subscription and keep doing it manually. So within that 7 days, you are going to start with something we call review activation. So what that basically means is that they are going to send messages to your past customers and ask them to give reviews. We only get within 15 to 30% from that. So if you have up to like 400, 500 past customers you have served, you can imagine how many reviews you are going to add to your page, and it's also going to remind them to do business for you just in case they have forgotten you. So if you are interested in that, just go ahead and use the first link in the description. You are going to able to activate your 7 days free trial. We'll jump on an onboarding call and know if you are fit for us, then activate it for you immediately. So now you have your review link and you know exactly how to use it. I will encourage you to start using it right away and you start getting reviews on your page. Whether you work with us or you want to do it manually, please just start doing it right now. Now, here's something that pairs perfectly with that. If you run a business here in Nigeria, you know that most of your customers are using WhatsApp. Now, if they go to your Google business page now, most likely they have to copy your phone number out, save it on their phone before they are able to send you a WhatsApp message. That's the friction. And if they find your computer who has the one click to WhatsApp button on his or her page, they are most likely going to use that person instead of you. And I explain exactly how to add your WhatsApp button directly on your Google business profile on the next video. So you want to go ahead and watch that now and see how to do that.